Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to Amavens on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Pyramid 0, Orlando Pirates 0. Don't forget to subscribe. Also click and become a member. I'm joined by Umenyerwe Diski.
Stibos.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ngimnandi.
Ngikho right.
Why mini? Kulman.
Okay, Stib. Akesibheke la.
Sha.
Igame siqale wrong.
Yeah.
From lineup yethu or from starting lineup sethu see igame siqale wrong.
Be wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even game plan ne system esisebenzisile today. Okay. Naku ukuthi why ngisho so Stib.
Why mini?
As if siqala ngomabasa. Which means we sacrifice our normal play. I'm not saying ukuthi Mabasa is a bad player. No, I see a bad player.
Yes.
But according to game esidlalayo now, isuitha more uMakgopa, ne?
Every day.
Yeah, because if sikala ngomabasa, ngezi like sokufana ukuthi sikala ngama player ayi10.
Kahle kahle.
Yes, sokufana ukuthi game siqala ngama player mangaki ayi10.
Minus awa.
Yeah, ubona abantu abanje ngomabasa aba good coming from the bench, like ubanikeza abo 20 minutes, ubanikeza abo 15 minutes.
Super star.
Yeah. Njengabo Kabelo Dlamini so na ubanikeza abo 20 minutes, ubanikeza abo 15 minutes, you understand? So lento ingisa kuphi Sithibo? Sengike ngakhuluma ngayo before, sasila futhi FNB. Ingisa kwi point ka evidence. Sithibo, like ngiyacela abantu abayekele ukubuka ibhola for the sake yokuthi bebone kunyakaza net for amagoli. Bengabhiki ukuthi amagoli aqhamuka kuphi or amagoli siwathola kanjani noma siwakora kusuke kwenze njani, understand? Because if we are check evidence, yes akakori yena ne, but if you check amagoli ethu esinawo evidence uyakhona ukuthi draw in, uyakhona ukuthi draw opponent away from structure lesa basuke besakhile or kwi goal post uyakhona ukuthi badraw la eside ni kusalela like phana endawo central kusale kuvuleka ini kusale kuvuleka ispace yes for abantu abanjengabo Maswanganya abanjengabo Mfukeng. Even uchecka last game esidlalile igoli esikorile ubonile kunabantu bebadonsa la eside. So please abantu ababuke ibhola ngeunderstanding ukuthi amagoli siwathola kanjani, bengabukeli nje ukuthi ibhola kuyajatshula kiwe khoneni okanye kunyakaza ini. Ubonile sengingena evidence siqalile manje sadlala as abantu abayi11 but the time kusakhona uMabasa ububona ukuthi khona la isishota khona and enye into enza ukuthi ngithi lokhu uzana igame plan yethi be wrong. Sibo namhlanje besifuna ukudlala ama cross into esingajwayele ukuyenza and like the reason why bedlala ama cross is because uMabasa u strong ekhanda. So uma befaka uMabasa ubonile first half bedlala ngama cross from ama channel bedlala ubana bedlala uhot and into esingekho comfortable ngathi comfortable ngani ngokuthi sidlala ibhola enyaweni. So inclusion kaMabasa it means ukuthi sidlala sibangaki, sidlala sibayi10 and sidlala ngama cross. So Sithibo like nje ngithema ngicheck igame ngabona okay last izoba nama challenges yeah soba nama challenges and going to i second leg Sithibo ume possible le message if ingafika kwi technical team yethu please man asibuyele back to i 3-4-3 yethu le normal.
Yeah.
Asidlale ngama center back ayi3.
Yeah.
Asibuyiseni uMbokazi, sibuyiseni uXoki, sibuyiseni uSibisi. And then I right back yethu because obviously if sidlala ngama center back ayi3 uVan Rooyen noHoto basobe bepusha beyoeda kuphi esiswini ne.
Yeah.
Because if you check Sithibo the way i-pyramids ebisidlala ngakhona second half ibisiyenza lento ebesiyenza yona nge-first half ukuthi yona bebekhona ukuthi beyenze ngendlela because igame yabo vele leyana. Thina we tried ukuthi sidlale ama diagonal, sidlale ama direct, kwasho ukuthi igame yethu today bingekho right because uMakgopa abenjani ubengekho umuntu ozokukhona ukuthi esiholdele esidonsele i-opponent away from i-goal post, you understand? So bona bayayazi le game plan ebesidlala nge-first half basiyekile ngamasibomu. Second half mesibuyi bazwisa lento ekade senjani ekade sibazwisa yona. So iyakutshela lento itshela ukuthini nge second leg iPyramids the way eqede ngakhona today izoqala the way eqede ngakhona today, which means bazobedlala ngani, bazobedlala ama channel crosses nama half space cutbacks. Yabo the way game epheli ngakhona bayoyiqala kanjalo leya game le second leg. So please asibuyeleni kuma center back ethi 3 because if sidlala ngama center back ayi3 lento isinikeza ibalance emuva. Sinoxoki, sinosibisi, sinombokazi. Out of position uyabuya Van Rooyen uyo-eda lapho ku right back, uHot uyabuya uyo-eda ku left back. Sesibantu abangaba defender, sinabantu abayi5 because if bedlala ngama channel ama crosses ama channel at least uHot uzobe khona ku left channel edile nayo, uVan Rooyen uzobe khona nangale ka right edila nama crosses. And even though ngekho happy ngegame today but ngine hope still ngine hope if you check a record lethu yazi sibo normally against ama North Africans like we play good away if sidlala na then home if sidlala nama North Africans na kusibele enye into enza ukuthi ngisho so checka iyale yahle ne first leg sidlale i-draw ka North Orlando uma sifika away sayidla ngo2-1 kora umfukeng no Gilberto ne and then lethi mabokhanyisa mayo I think it's CR sayidla ngo2-1 unkota ekora yini wakori brace la i-MCR jele yathi sidlala nawo manje sidle ngobani 1-0 away ukora bani ukora unkota yes and then musi uyachecka la ekhaya sadlala i-draw so lento inginikeza ihope and now going to the game le second leg bazoba under pressure yes bazoba under pressure because if uthi uyachecka into enza ukuthi sidlale good nama North Africans thibu basuke be under pressure laphana away ama fans ayabapush understand and now bana lento ukuthi hayi sisekhaya we are North Africans benze bayapush and ilapho iPirates enjani ebabamba khona because iPirates good if idlala under pressure and if idlala away asibheke so team if ubona ba good ekhaya bayibona be good ekhaya nama fans abanikeza ipressure which means bazobedlala bazobedlala i-high press ngalesikhathi bedlala i-high press okanye bepusha high ilakho nesithola khona ama spaces. Remember Sibu ama advantages and disadvantages and e-high press ama advantages e-high press uyakhona ukuthi uforce i-opponent ukuthi commit ama mistake or ama errors kuma zones la sikwazi ukuthi sithathe ibhola score fast, you understand? If njenga iPyramids they tried today, so if bedlala i-high press i-advantage yabo le ukuthi if best pressure high bakhona bethatha ibhola benze njani bekora, but playing against a team defensively organized it's difficult because now if you was ukuthi be compact defensively bayakhona ukuthi bephume on transition and muthi acheck iPirates idlala ngani, idlala ngespeed kunabo Mfukeng kunabo bani kunabo Nkota, ingakho ama games lawa away kuba easy ukuthi siwadlale because sisuke sinjani, sisuke sidlala bo mid block thina today besidlala i-high press especially first half but away sizoqala nge mid block, hence why ngithi we need ama center back amangaki i3 with uHot nobani no Van Rooyen kuma channel bese kuzoba khona nobani, uzoba khona uNkota, kube khona nobani, kube khona noMfukeng noMahupha lo game enze njani ayiqale Sibo so right sizokhona ukuthi sithole ini on transition sizoba grand uzobona Sibo amabhakaniya wa relax thina we know how to play away and we know how to play under pressure.
Celi man of the match Minier
okay before ngifike kwi man of the match or before ngivale Sibo
sharp
there is something esibiza ngokuthi i-goal kick counter Sibo. There is something enzakalile today engayithandanga between ama fans no Sipho China la behind the post ubedile ibhola ukudlala ne uSipho engazi ukuthi engajwayela lento esibiza ngokuthi i-goal kick counter. Yes ngiyaphinda futhi goal kick counter, you pretend as if u start a normal build up with ama center back akho la eboxini elincane, understand? I-opponent angithi izobe ispress high away bazobe ispress high ngalesikhathi besondela bespress high uMahupha wenze njani under i-goal kick counter i-striker sakho siyaphusha siye far la score khona. Remember Sibo, you cannot be offside from i-goal kick. Yes, so if uMahupha epusha high noma swanganye sondela kuyena bese banama center back la and pretend as if bazoqala ibhola engabe saliqala enze njani uyalishaya bani akalishaya for the sake ukuthi uyalahla sipractice lento esibiza ngokuthini the goal kick counter ngalesikhathi eliphushela abantu eliphushela umahuphu uyakhonza edlalela abantu edlalela umaswanganye kunama spaces la ngemuva bombatha benze njani bayasondela bo talent so please ngicela a practice lonto so that nama fans ngicela nebhola alifundi so sizo avoid lento ukuthi ama fans alwa nani alwa nabadlali because yena the moment a delay play ilento esibiza ngokuthi ni base the press yakhumbula ngitshela ngani ne base the press but kumele ejwayele i-goal kick counter nama center back akhe be pretend as if bayaqala i-build up but umahupha ayiphushe because remember you cannot be offside from i-goal kick. Yes, i-man of the match yamsibo ngayigaya i-VAR Sipho man of the match yami abantu Sipho abafundeni ibhola even ucoach we-Pyramids uthi after game uthi yena uwine 2-0 ngidisappointed Sipho because I myself am a qualified coach ne yena unama badges higher than mina but into engiyaziyo Sipho uma ucoach during a course uyawenza ama laws of the game you understand Sipho so for yena ukuthi ekhulumele yanto le ngidisappointed because Sipho lela goal lela first goal lelika Mbokazi bheka la Sipho was Mbokazi intentionally playing a pass back no was Mbokazi trying to clear ibhola out yes so which means umayele the goal was correctly disallowed because Mbokazi you was not trying to play a pass back to Sipho ube try wenze njani ube try clearisha ini ibhola but the way aclearisha ngakhona labheka kuphi labheka ngala kusipho and then umayele wasenze njani wasiyafinisha so abantu abafundeni ibhola I'm disappointed coach remember Sipho mina as a minier mine is to educate thank you Sipho
Danko Villiers